Next problem number 14. The value of, they have given some integral dz is where mod z equal to 3. Mod z equal to 3. Mod z equal to 3 means center is 0 comma 0 and radius is 3. Center 0 comma 0 and radius 3. That means 3i minus 3i 3 minus 3. Now integral of this thing. So z minus 2, first take denominator and equate that thing to 0. Z minus 4 whole square equal to 0. So z minus 2 equal to 0. Z minus 4 whole square equal to 0. This will be z equal to 2 and this will be z equal to 4 comma 4. So 2, z equal to 2 is here inside. This is inside. 4 is outside. 4 is outside. That means this function is outside. Send it to upside. And this is inside, send it to down. Denominator, come on, integral of 3z square plus 2z plus 5 by, what I can write, z minus 4 whole square by, this is the function our, and z minus 2 dz. That thing can be written as 2 pi I into f of 2. Substitute 2 pi I into f of 2. In this function substitute value 2. 3 into 2a square, 3 into 4 plus 3, 2 into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square 4. Okay, then what you will get, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 5, 21. 21 into 2 pi I by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So 21 pi I by 21 pi I by 2. 21 pi I by 2. Which option? Okay, I forgot to write options, but 21 pi I by 2 is the correct option. Okay, let us solve problem number 15 also. What they are saying, given f of z, if contour C is a counterclockwise, okay, no need of any direction anymore. Okay, then what they are asking, the value of, they are asking the value of integral 2 pi I integral of f of z dz. Okay, the f of z dz is fine. First find f of z dz properly. 1 by z plus 1 minus 2 by z plus 3. We don't know this proper form. So z plus 3 minus 2 into z plus 1 by, I can write it as z plus 1 into z plus 3. Now it is in our proper form. So f of z is equal to z plus 3 minus 2z plus minus 2 by z plus 1 into z plus 3. Now f of z is equal to minus z plus 1. That is 1 minus z. 1 minus z by z plus 1 z plus 3. Contour is how much? Contour is mod of z plus 1 equal to 1. That thing I can write it as minus of minus 1 plus I into 0 equal to 1. Now compare with z minus x plus iy. You will get x comma y center as minus 1 comma 0 and radius as 1. Okay, after getting this, find out the contour, draw the contour. Minus 1 comma 0 line, suppose this is, and radius is 1. Then this is 0 comma 0, center 0 comma 0, and we will go up to here minus 2, here I, here minus I. Now draw the, this is circle actually, it's not like ellipse, it is circle. Okay, then after getting this, check these two things whether they are inside or downside, inside or upside. Z plus 1, Z plus 3 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Z equal to minus 1, Z equal to minus 3. Z equal to minus 1 inside. Z equal to minus 3 outside. This is outside. So send this thing up and this thing down. Now what you will get? Now what you will get? Integral of 1 minus z by 1 minus z by, I will send this z plus 3 upward. Why? Because this is outside. Okay, I will send z plus 3 upward divided by whichever is lying inside, I will send that thing down. Z plus 1 is lying inside, down. Okay, then z plus 1. Plus 1 can be written as minus of minus 1 into zz. Then 2 pi I into f of minus 1. Come on, substitute 2 pi I into f of minus 1 is how much? Substitute minus 1 here. 2 by 2, that is 1. 2 pi I. We are getting value of this entire integral is 2 pi I. But they are asking 1 by 2 pi I into value of this integral. 1 by 2 pi I, 1 by 2 pi I cancel. Option C is correct. 1. Okay. Next, problem number 16. Problem number 16. Integral of z square plus 4 by z square minus 4 by z square plus 4. Contour is z minus I equal to 2. Compare z minus 0 plus I into 1. Now you just check whether it is in this form or not. Z minus I will get, okay, equal to 2. Then x comma y is equal to 0 comma 1, radius equal to 2. Then after getting up to this point, draw the contour. 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 is suppose this, and this is 0 comma 0 line. 0 comma 1, radius is 2. That means here up to here it will go up to minus 1 line. Here it will go up to 3. 3i minus I. Here it will be 2 up to 2. This will be the contour. And this is the center. Okay. After getting this is circle only and this is the center. Then z square plus 4 equate it to 0. Then z square plus 4 will be z square equal to minus 4, z is equal to root over minus 4, z is equal to plus 2i minus 2i. Then z plus 2i, z equal to plus 2i is inside the contour, yes, inside the contour. Z equal to minus 2i outside the contour. That means z plus 2i is outside the contour and z minus 2i is inside the contour. Okay, now convert that integral. Z square minus 4 by z plus 2i is inside the contour, outside the contour. Then z minus 2i is outside the contour, dz. Then 2 pi I f of 2i, because this is 2, f of 2i, 2 pi I, f of 2i is how much? 2i square, 4 minus 4, what you will get? Minus 8 total, minus 8 by 4i. 2i plus 2i, 4i. Then I cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2s are 4s are. Total answer is minus 4 pi. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, let us solve problem number 17. What is problem number 17? Integration of complex function f of z, z square minus 1 in the counter clockwise direction, z mod z minus 1 equal to 1. First draw the contour properly. Problem number 17, draw the contour. Mod z minus 1 equal to 1. Mod z minus 1 plus I into 0. Now it will be z minus 1 equal to 1. Z minus xy, z minus x plus iy. So x comma y is how much? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. Here it will be 1 comma 0. Now radius is, this is 1 up to 2 it will go. Here it will be I and minus I. So this is the circle. Then take this denominator, z square minus 1 equal to 0, z square equal to 1, z is equal to plus or minus 1. That is z is equal to plus 1 minus 1. Z equal to plus 1 is, z equal to plus 1 is inside the contour or outside the contour? Z equal to plus 1 is inside the contour, and z equal to minus 1 is, z equal to plus 1, okay, this is 0, plus 1 is inside the contour. Okay, then this is inside the contour, that means z minus 1 is inside the contour and z plus 1 is outside the contour. If you get that thing there, then that will be plus. This is outside and this is inside. then inside upward, then integral of z square by z plus 1, this is f of z divided by z minus 1 dz, 2 pi I f of a, 2 pi I f of 1, 2 pi I f of 1, 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, pi I is the answer, pi I. Thank you.